Jai Hind candidates, I'm Wing Commander Mukesh Tiwari, ex-senior psychologist, Air Force Selection Board, Dehradun, and I was also in Air Force Selection Board, Varanasi. Okay, so I have been giving you the guidance as for the requirements for SSB. Okay, और हमने पिछले लेक्चर्स में कवर किया था SRT. Okay, so SRT के 2 लेक्चर्स हो चुके हैं. पहले लेक्चर में जनरल ब्रीफिंग हुई थी, सेकंड लेक्चर में मैंने कवर किया था टेक्निक्स. ओके, अब मैं थर्ड लेक्चर में आपके साथ कवर करूंगा गाइडलाइंस. ओके, गाइडलाइंस जैसा कि मैंने लास्ट लेक्चर में बोला था कि हर एक कॉन्टेक्स्ट को साथ में लेते हुए. ओके, नाउ आई विल रिक्वेस्ट यू ऑल अगेन, इफ यू लाइक माय वीडियो प्लीज लाइक इट, subscribe it and share it with your friends also so that they also get benefited. Okay, so now guidelines में हम जो कवर करेंगे, guidelines for approaching your SRT test. Okay, so पहला हम कॉन्टेक्स्ट लेते हैं, say accident. Okay, accident का सीन है. So I will read out the various situations and thereafter I will give you the answers also which are likelihood to be there. Okay, so if the situation comes that he met with a serious accident while going on a bicycle or scooter, resulting in serious injury to pillion rider and serious damage to vehicle, he will, now you have to give the reaction. Okay, so read the situation. Injury किसको हुई है? खाली pillion rider को. Pillion means जो पीछे बैठा है. Okay, and damage to the vehicle. That means the driver, the central figure, the hero has no injury. Okay, so don't assume. जैसे मैंने पहले भी बोला था ना आपको, assume मत करिएगा कि उसके भी चोट लग गई है. Okay, अगर नहीं लिखा है that means he doesn't have any injury. Okay, so what he can do, what he will do, he will took the injured to the nearest hospital and will leave the vehicle there, pick up later for repairs. Okay, you can. फर्स्ट थिंग इज, इसमें क्या है, इसमें सबसे पहले इंपॉर्टेंट चीज है कि जिसको इंजरी हुई है उसको प्रायोरिटी 1 मिलेगी. ओके, सो यू विल टेक द इंजर्ड पर्सन टू द नियरेस्ट हॉस्पिटल एज सून एज पॉसिबल, लीव द व्हीकल देयर, कॉमा, पिक इट अप फॉर रिपेयर्स लेटर. ओके, सिचुएशन कैन ऑल्सो बी दैट he was moving on a bicycle towards his village carrying his brother, suddenly found the vehicle punctured. His brother was running high temperature, no public transport was available. He will, now what he should do, importance किसकी है, brother was running high temperature. So सबसे पहले जो requirement आपकी है वो है कि आपको brother को डॉक्टर के पास ले जाना है as soon as possible. So you will write, he will take the left in the passerby vehicle. If he is going on a bicycle, that means there will be on the road, there will be some vehicles which will be moving. So he will take left from the passerby vehicles, take his brother to the nearest hospital, ठीक है, for treatment. Okay, ज्यादा सिर्फ पॉइंट टू पॉइंट आपको लिखने की जरूरत है, ज्यादा एडिशनल चीजें लिखने की कोई बात नहीं है, कोई जरूरत नहीं है. ओके, एक्सीडेंट के बाद अगर हम दूसरा देखें, क्रॉसिंग द रिवर, देयर विल बी सिचुएशन इन विच यू विल बी गिवन सिचुएशन, you are crossing the river and you face some problem. Okay, so we say that while returning from picnic, he had to cross river with his friend. When he found that the temporary bridge had collapsed, he will, matlab he was coming after a picnic with his friend, the temporary bridge which was there on the bridge had collapsed, matlab टूट गया. Okay, so what will you do? अगर आप अपने दोस्त के साथ हैं तो what you can do? You will jump into the river, swim it across. Okay, he along with his friend swam across. Okay, now don't even if you don't know swimming, okay, you will be taught swimming while you are there in academy. So don't give your response that okay, I don't know swimming, तो मैं कैसे जाऊंगा, मेरे को बोट ही ढूंढनी पड़ेगी or something like that. No, for all practical purpose आपको swimming आती है और ये situation आप swim across करके जा सकते हैं. Okay, there can be a situation that while he was going in a boat, he found that the boat had developed a leak or a hole and water started coming in. He will, now what he will do? First thing is, hole हो गया है तो सबसे पहले उस hole को plug in करना है ताकि पानी ज्यादा ना आए. Okay, so he will plug the leak with the cloth or he will take out his shirt or a t-shirt, whatever he is wearing, wrap it and plug the hole so that water doesn't come in. जो भी एक्स्ट्रा वाटर आ गया कॉमा लगा के आप लिखेंगे, व्हाट ऐसे लिखेंगे आप, plug the hole, comma, through water out, out by a bucket, comma, road to the nearest bank. Okay. So plug the hole with the cloth, comma, through water out by the bucket, comma, road the boat to the nearest bank. Okay, I told you you have to take it to the finish line तक जाना है, कंटिन्यू करना है आपके एक्टिविटीज को। और इसमें एक्टिविटी आपकी खत्म कब होंगी? खाली पानी को रोक देने से ही नहीं, जब तक आप सुरक्षित सेफली बोट को और अपने आप को बैंक तक नहीं पहुंचा देते, किनारे तक नहीं पहुंचा देते हैं, तब तक आपकी एक्टिविटी चलती रहेंगी। ओके, वी कैन ऑल्सो डिस्कस सम सिचुएशन ऑफ फायर। मैं एक एक दो ही सिचुएशन ले रहा हूं, इसके बहुत सारे इसमें निकलते हैं सिचुएशन, लेकिन आई एम जस्ट टेकिंग 1 or 2 सिचुएशन जस्ट टू गिव यू एन आइडिया एज टू हाउ यू शुड डील विद द सिचुएशन इफ इट कम्स रिलेटेड टू दैट कॉन्टेक्स्ट। ओके, नाउ अगर फायर आता है, से फायर इज इन, फायर दो उसमें कैटेगरी में हम डिवाइड कर देते हैं, फायर इज इन विलेज और इन सिटी। ओके, सो अगर विलेज में लगती है, ही सॉ फायर इन विलेज एंड पीपल वर पैनिकिंग। ही, मैंने आपको लास्ट लेक्चर में बताया था, जब भी कोई पैनिक सिचुएशन क्रिएट होती है, ओके, फर्स्ट थिंग आप क्या करेंगे? पैसिफाई। ओके, सो ही पैसिफाइड पीपल, used sand and water to put out fire, comma, called fire brigade from the city. Okay, विलेज में अगर आपके आग लग रही है तो आप पानी और बालू से ही उस आग को बुझा सकते हैं, बिकॉज वही रिसोर्स आपको विलेज में मिलेगा। ओके, यही चीज अगर सिटी में लगी होती, फायर इन द सिटी, ओके, सो ही सॉ अ फायर इन द सिटी बिल्डिंग एंड पीपल वर पैनिकिंग। व्हाट ही विल डू? ही विल पैसिफाई पीपल, स्विच ऑफ मीन्स, अगर सिटी में है तो यानी कि सिटी में इलेक्ट्रिसिटी होती है। ओके, सो इनिशियल एक्शन में आपका क्या जाएगा? स्विच ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिसिटी, पैसिफाई पीपल, स्विच ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिसिटी। नाउ यू विल douse the fire with the help of water, sand and fire extinguisher, simultaneously call fire brigade and control the fire. ओके, सो यहां पे डिफरेंस सिटी और विलेज में यही हो जाता है कि विलेज में आपके पास नॉर्मली इलेक्ट्रिसिटी का बिजली नहीं होती है बड़ी घरों में या कहीं पे, तो अगर है तो वहां पे भी आप इसको लगाएंगे कि स्विच ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिसिटी मेन्स, बट सिटी में तो हो गई होगी तो यू विल स्विच ऑफ द मेन्स इमीडिएटली। ओके, फाइनेंशियल क्राइसिस पे भी क्वेश्चंस आते हैं। फाइनेंशियल क्राइसिस के क्वेश्चन मैंने आपको टेक्निक जो लास्ट लेक्चर में बता ही दिया था कि आप किस तरीके से उसको सॉल्व करेंगे। ओके, फाइनेंशियल क्राइसिस में अगर आपके लिए फॉर सेल्फ, फाइनेंशियल क्राइसिस में अगर सेल्फ में है और सेल्फ में आपकी अर्जेंट नीड है तो यू विल बोरो मनी फ्रॉम द फ्रेंड्स। ओके, अगर लॉन्ग टर्म नीड है तो फिर यू विल टेक इट फ्रॉम द फ्रेंड्स, रिजॉल्व द इश्यू इमीडिएटली, देयर आफ्टर टेक पार्ट टाइम जॉब टू part-time job, or you can give tuitions to earn some money. Okay, and if the financial requirement is for others, कोई दूसरा आपसे मांगता है, तो अगर शॉर्ट टर्म के लिए है, again you will give him money and you will ask him to return it back as soon as possible. And अगर वो लॉन्ग टर्म के लिए है, then you should help him immediately, okay, so that his immediate crisis gets over. And thereafter you can arrange some tuitions or some part-time job for him. Okay, try and arrange some part-time job or tuition for him so that your friend can get some or earn some money. Okay, there can be question on jungle. अगर जंगल पे है, so the situation can come is he was passing through a jungle, it was getting dark when he found some noises in the bushes behind him. He will Now, it is just written that he heard some noises from the bushes behind him. Okay. Now, don't imagine कि अगर noise आ रही है तो वहां पे कोई tiger या कोई lion ही आके बैठ गया है. Okay. अगर होगा तो वो लिख के आएगा. Okay. But if it is just a noise, okay. जंगल में आप जाएंगे तो थोड़ी बहुत noise तो bushes में होती ही है. Okay. So he looked back. You say he looked back, found nothing suspicious, carried on with his journey. Look back. Since noise is there, so you will look back. है क्या? Look back, comma, found nothing suspicious. कुछ नहीं है वहां पे. Now don't assume कि वहां पे tiger या lion है. Okay, found nothing suspicious, comma, continue journey, comma, reach destination. Okay, till the end you are taking it. Okay. It can also be that he, accompanied by his younger brother, was going through a thick jungle when he spotted a tiger going ahead of him at some distance. He will now. अब इसमें tiger दे दिया गया है कि there is a tiger who is moving ahead of him at some distance. Okay. Now, if the tiger is there, what can you do? You just have to hide yourself so that he doesn't see you. Let the tiger pass and thereafter continue with your journey. So the reaction can be he along with his brother, comma, dug quietly behind the bushes, comma, let the tiger pass, carried on with his journey, reached destination. Okay. There can be a situation he was face to face with armed Nagas in the forest. What will he do? Armed Nagas means the tribal people. The tribal people who don't know your language. Okay, now अगर आप जंगल से जा रहे हैं और आपको ट्राइबल पीपल या नागाज मिल गए, what will you do? You will prove your identity with the help of sign language. Use sign language. Okay, so that he comes to know that you are not a threat to him. आप उसके लिए कोई danger नहीं है. Okay, prove your identity by using sign language, and Nagas got convinced, allowed you to go. You reached your destination safely. Okay. Now there will also be some situations on games and sports. इसका मैंने टेक्निक जब मैं कवर कर रहा था उसमें भी कुछ कवर किया था. So while playing a hockey match, he twisted his ankle very badly. What will you now? It is just a twist in your ankle which is slightly bad. Okay, but it is not given that you have broken your bone or something like that. It is just a twist. Okay, so he will take first aid. He took first aid, continued playing, won the match. Okay, don't give up. Your courage, your determination, everything will be, your mental stamina and your physical stamina will be tested in such kind of things, such kind of situations. Okay, if you withdraw, that he twisted his ankle, so he withdrew and let the substitute player and go and play in his place. Okay, no, that is not a correct response. Okay, इसका मतलब कि आपने अपना इनिशिएटिव किसी और के सपोर्ट कर दिया, किसी और सब्स्टिट्यूट प्लेयर को दे दिया. अब वो जाके अगर मैच जिता देगा तो उसकी वाहवाही होगी एंड यू विल बी बिहाइंड. सो डोंट लेट, फेस द सिचुएशन. Okay, no matter how hard it is. Okay, face it. That means face it by taking due precautions. You took some first aid. Okay, wrap a bandage or something on your ankle. Continue playing, win the match. Okay, that is what a good sportsman will do, right? He found his captain was unable to continue due to serious injury. Now the captain is missing. And मैंने टेक्निक जब मैं कवर कर रहा था उसमें मैंने आपको कवर किया था कि if the leader is missing, then you should take over the role of the leader. Okay, so if captain is not able to play because of serious injury, you will take over the role of the captain, take his duties, motivate your players, plan your strategy and win the match. Winning the match is very, very important because till that time you win the match, your job is not over. Okay, so we have covered certain, I will cover 2 more and thereafter I will call up this lecture, and then in next lecture I will cover certain more situations. Okay, so I will say hiking and mountaineering. मैंने आपको बोला था hiking and mountaineering पे भी हो सकते हैं. Okay, So while going on a mountaineering trip, he found some members of his team were injured and some had got tired because of longer route taken by the party. Okay, so he will सबसे पहले आपको look after करना है जो injured people है. Okay, so you will give first aid to the injured person, comma, consult the route map again, comma, and take the shortest possible route possible. Okay, shortest possible route. Okay, give first aid to the injured, comma, consult the map, comma, motivate. You can also write motivate his team members, comma, took the shortest possible route. Okay. Now, just before reaching the mountain peak, he found his feet were slipping due to sand or snow, which was underneath his underneath his feet. Okay, so you are climbing, and as you are approaching the peak, the snow on which you had kept your feet started slipping, or the sand started slipping. What will you do? Okay, immediately he dug axe. आप जब भी माउंटेनियरिंग करने जाते हैं तो आप माउंटेनियरिंग एक्स लेके जाते हैं, कुल्हाड़ी तो नहीं होती छोटी सी, उसको लेके जाते हैं. ओके, सो यू वुड डग द एक्स. ओके, टेक कंट्रोल और बैलेंस योर कंट्रोल. ओके, चेंज योर फीट, क्लाइंब अप एंड रीच द पीक. ओके, डोंट से दैट अगर स्नो नीचे पैर के नीचे से फिसल रही तो आप गिरी पड़ोगे. नो, योर एम इज टू रीच द पीक. ऑलवेज बी पॉजिटिव. योर अप्रोच should always be positive approach. Never give up. Determination उसका आपको नहीं तो खामियाजा भुगतना पड़ेगा. Never give up. Determination उसी में आपका देखा जाता है कि जब तक आप continuously effort डालते रहते हैं अपने गोल को अचीव करने के लिए. Okay, so use the resource. You have got the X, आपके पास mountaineering X है. Use it, dug it up. Okay, change your step and reach the peak. Last aspect which I will cover today is train journey. Okay, train journey पे भी बहुत सारे questions आते हैं और train journey पे कैसे हो सकते हैं? During a train journey, he found some passengers arguing unnecessarily, disturbing other persons. He will now, if the passengers are arguing and you are there, you are third party. Okay, I told you in technique जब मैं cover कर रहा था उसमें मैंने cover किया था. So what will you do? Tactfully, मैंने बोला था ना उसमें आप यूज करेंगे वर्ड tactfully. So you will say tactfully persuaded the passengers not to argue. They agreed. He continued his journey, or you can say he continued his journey and reached destination. Okay. So यहाँ पे जब भी आप थर्ड पार्टी हैं, आप डायरेक्टली उनमें इन्वॉल्व नहीं है दोनों ग्रुप में, but you are there, so tactfully persuade the passengers not to argue or not to disturb other passengers. Okay, continue with your journey and reach your destination. During the train journey, he found the compartment catching fire and people were trying to jump out. Okay, now this is a very important kind of a situation which normally comes. Okay, so what will you do in this thing? Train is moving. Okay, remember the train journey. During the train journey, train is moving. So first thing is what you will do is you will pull the chain. Okay, first thing is to stop the train. Okay, so pull the chain, pacified people or advise people not to panic. Okay, pacify them not to panic or advise them not to panic. Let the train stop. Train stops, jump or evacuate as soon as possible. Right? This is the way you should approach the SRTs. Okay, so I will stop today, and in my next lecture I will cover certain more context which will give you more idea as to how you should approach the situations in SRT. Thank you, candidates.